Hi folks, I am Nachiket signing in for today's topic site inspection report. We are doing this exercise for low risk building like G plus 1 to 4 and stilt plus 1 to 4 floors. Okay, so maximum covered area can be 5000 square feet, and we are doing this exercise for new and built from scratch type of buildings. Okay, so let's quickly enroll ourselves. So here, who is conducting the site visit means the engineer or the supervisor who is conducting the site visit needs to write his name. Then client's name for whom you are conducting the site visit. Then his or her contact number. Then mail ID. Go with the site address, pin code, city, state. Then next. Here, go through your previous knowledge, the various types of site. So what is the site status that you can see? This is a multi-selection option. Okay, so what is the type of site? Okay, so what you consider, whether it's an ideal site or a wetland or a rocky site or landfill. Maybe I'm considering it as ideal site. Then in an ideal site also, I had already previously also I had said that water stagnant condition is possible. Even it can be a dry and barren land, it can be covered with trees and bushes, and it can be also dumped with some solid waste. Okay, so let's make it a water stagnant condition. You can also double click on it, like we have bushes also here, so covered up with trees and bushes as well. So you need deep cleaning out there. The next part is uh, the boundary wall status. Okay, do you have a proper boundary wall, whether it's a laterite stone up to 2 feet height or a laterite stone up to 6 feet height or a laterite stone more than 6 feet height, precast wall or a brick RCC composite wall or anything, whatever it may be. So whatever it may be the status, just mention. I am mentioning laterite stone up to 2 feet height. Okay, then road versus EGL, approximate EGL and road level difference. If road level is above EGL, then mention it negative. Okay, so my area is I said before that's a water stagnant condition, right? So I am considering it -1 feet. Okay, so I am mentioning it -1. Then access road width, I have access road width of 30 feet, so I am mentioning it here. Then access road type, it's a WBM, means water bound macadam road, or it's a blacktop road, or a CC, means concrete CC road, or an incomplete subgrade road. I am considering it as an incomplete subgrade road. Okay, so the road is not constructed properly. So can loaded trucks access the road? uh, Maybe, maybe not. If you're confused, then mention it maybe. Okay, the next is access road portrait image. Add a file to it. You can add just any image that you want. uh, so I'm browsing it here. So let's see you have any site images, if any. I'm just posting a image like this. So it's 211 kb. Okay, can be done. So always mention that yes, the MB size should be less than 2 MB. Okay, 2 to 3 MB less, then only can be uploaded easily. Do you have any open or underground stormwater drain in front of the site? No. Then I don't have such. Okay, side slope direction, mention the downside direction. Okay, so here I need to mention the downside direction, means my plot is exactly north facing, and exactly it is equally leveled, but still mention the downside direction. I think it is towards the north direction. Okay, side to main road facing direction. If any secondary roads available, mention in the sketch map. If any secondary road, I don't have any other roads, so I will choose or mention not anything. I will not mention anything. uh, Actually, I'll select here choose. That means I'm not choosing anything. Okay, so this is not mandatory, not required. In soil profile at foundation level, mention exclusive soil type by a physical investigation only, without proper soil test. No need to conduct any soil test, just mention what kind of soil it is. Okay, so I'm mentioning it is a gravel and sand type of condition. Okay, attach a compass mobile shot, attach life. Okay, so here I need to browse again. Do you have any such image out here? If yes, I can mention here. Yes, this is a compass image. So this is only 40.2 kb. So it's uploaded. Then plot area in square feet. The plot area is around 2000 square feet. Okay. Then plot dimension sketch map. If you have with a sketch map with you, then just browse and upload it. Just sketch it on your copy pen, then upload it here. So this is hardly 174.2 kb. It will take less time. Then material stacking space. Do you have any material stacking space out here? You will say available. If it's not available, mention not available. Then maximum lead distance. Maximum distance taken approximately from material stacking point to work site area. Okay, maybe around 10 feet maximum. Then lever allotment space. Do you have a lever allotment space available? If yes, then mention yes. I think it is more than 10, but I don't need to write the fit because I have already mentioned here in fit. Source of electricity available, then distance from nearest electricity source. Achha. In case it is not available, then you need to mention that, otherwise you don't need to mention anything. Then the source of potable water will be borewell, very definitely. Then wastewater disposal, you need a septic tank with soak pit arrangement. Okay, next, because you don't have any drain out here. Then in the next you can see, let us know what is there in the various sides of the plot based on the report standing in the middle of the plot while facing the main road. Okay, so stand in the middle of the plot, face to the main road, and just say what is in the front side. So obviously it's the main road, right? Or if there is a drain section, then road, mention it. Just open land, I'm mentioning it here road because in front of it road is there actually. So in the rear side you have a building or a just open land, stormwater drain, canal, etc. Other, I have open land. Then in the left side I have a building. Then in the right hand side, if I have rear side means back side. Okay, in the left side also I have a open land. Okay, so submit. So this is what the site inspection report says. After submitting, it will be shown that your response has been recorded, and that's it. It means your site inspection report has been submitted. So the clear cut the admin or the person who will be looking after the site or preparing the quotation for the site visit, so they will take more further concern regarding this. Okay, so thank you, see you in the